Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be showing how to use the call deferred function in Godot 4. The call deferred function is used to delay the execution of a method until the engine is in an idle state. In layman's terms, it essentially just waits for the engine to be in a safe spot to call certain functions. So let's say you're deleting a node, well that might not be safe to do so at all times, and so this is where call deferred comes into play. It's very easy to use. Here you have a simple function that spawns in a node, just a test node with a sprite attached to it. Right now I'm currently calling add child, but instead of calling add child, I could do call deferred add child and pass in the instance. And now this will do the same thing, however it'll wait for the engine to be safe to do so. And we can use call deferred on another node like any other function. So we could do instance dot call deferred, and then we pass in queue free. And now this will delete that node. We also have a function called setDeferred, which allows us to set properties on other nodes. So we could do instance dot set deferred. Let's do position and pass in a vector 2. And I'll just do 10 and 10 to move it to 10 on the Y, 10 on the X. Anyways guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!